Kiara Advani, share a video from a recent photoshoot. It shows a strapless black gown featuring sheer panels. It features a plunging sweetheart neckline accentuating her décolletage. It also comes with corseted boning on the torso with sheer panels, a flowy skirt decorated with see-through panels, a symmetrical hemline, a long train at the back and a figure accentuating silhouette highlighting her frame. In the end, Kiara chose center parted open wavy tresses, subtle eyeshadow, mascara on the lashes, nude mauve lip shade, darkened brows, blush cheeks, beaming highlighter, and glowing base for the glam pics. Disha Patni sets the internet on fire every time she posts her pictures, and yet again, her latest sultry photoshoot is making fans go gaga. Disha shared a few sizzling pictures of herself in a black bodycon dress. She looks absolutely stunning in the body-hugging outfit and the internet is going hot. Disha looks absolutely jaw-dropping in the strappy dress boasting a plunging sweetheart neckline accentuating her curves. While the actress can be seen flaunting her perfect figure in the dress for Filmfare, fans are going nuts. Pooja Hegde posted video of herself dressed in the red tiered sari and bralette blouse. Regarding the design elements, Pooja's fusion organza and silk sari feature triple-layered tiers on the hem instead of pleats. The star wore the pallu in a low-hanging style, flaunting her svelte frame. Lastly, a pleated bralette blouse with a plunging neckline, strappy sleeves, a backless silhouette, and cropped midriff bearing hem rounded it off. For the glam pics, Pooja chose center-parted open wavy tresses, nude lip shade, minimal base, on fleek brow, and mascara on the lashes. Dainty gemstone-adorned earrings, sleek bracelets, statement rings, and bright red embroidered juttis gave the finishing touch. Ananya appeared in a metallic blue bralette and skirt. The strapless bralette and the matching skirt caught the attention of the fans. The plunging neckline bralette features an asymmetric curved hem. Another highlight is the metallic blue skirt with side slit. The star was also wearing blue heels. The actor chose bold makeup for this look. Shimmering silver smoky eyeshadow and nude pink lipstick made the star look beautiful. For the star to get the attention of the fashion world with stylish outfits, Tamina Bhatia made a stellar style statement in an embellished gown from designer Tony Ward. The red gown featured a wrap-like neckline with a sheer corset top, studded with tiny embellishments and beadwork and a glamorous princess-like bottom. The diva picked studded earrings and statement rings as her only accessories. Tying her mane in a sleek ponytail, Tamina's glam makeup included kohl-laden eyes, well-defined eyebrows, shimmering eyelids and a matte lip color. For the special photoshoot, Alia Bhatt opted for a turquoise-colored micro-pleated dress with a thigh-high slit and a plunging neckline. For the glam, she opted for dewy makeup, kohl in eyes, and a shade of nude lip shade. She accessorized her ravishing look with a couple of lockets and multiple rings. She left her hair open, styled in soft curls. The dress is worth 20,000 rupees. Bhumi Pednekar looked quite dreamy, donning an orange-textured bikini top, knotted down the way. She had worn a multicolored satin shrug on top of her swimsuit which had wave-like patterns. She kept her hair in a bun. She braided a small lock of hair which looked quite unique. A no-makeup look, with a shiny nude lipstick shade. Rakul Preet's little black dress came with a plunging neckline and spread shoulders. In silver hoop earrings from the House of Poplay Eternal and silver stilettos. Rakul Preet wore her tresses open in soft wavy curls and decked up in nude eyeshadow, black eyeliner, mascara-laden eyelashes, drawn eyebrows, contoured cheeks and a shade of nude lipstick. Kriti Sanon appears to slay in every outfit with her lean and fit body. And yet again to move us crazy she shared her latest pictures on the internet. In this picture, Kriti wore an outfit by Arnavik which is styled by Sukriti Grover for an award function. She opted for a baby pink thigh-high slit sequined gown with a deep neckline and skinny fit. Kriti completed the look with nude lips, a mid-part bun, and white striped heels. We truly are in love with her flawless glam. Shraddha Das has mesmerized her fans with her beauty in a half sari. She has gone viral by posing for a photo in different angles. Increasing dose of glamour day by day. Dressed in a floral skirt and blouse, the actress is wearing a red davani. A red bindi and bangles completed the look of the actress. The actress looked like a real village girl with her hair combed and beautifully braided with a little jed. Fashion has always been a strong point for Rashmika Mandanna, and no wonder, she can certainly raise the heat in quite literally any outfit of her choice and preference. We are totally mesmerized with her swag quotient in a stunning purple fluffy backless outfit, and we are loving her charm for real. Deepika donned a black Louis Vuitton sleeveless and embellished gown and exuded charm with her contagious smile. Her metallic outfit includes lace sleeves, a deep V-neck, a bare back, shimmering feather-like tassel throughout the dress, black sequins decoration, and a snug silhouette that hugs her body. She looked stunning with her smoky makeup and her hair in a high messy bun. She complemented her appearance with Cartier's statement diamond rings and diamond earrings, as well as matching black strappy stilettos. Shilpa Shetty rocked a flow-sweeping gown. She is a voluminous gown that featured waist cutouts, a plunging neckline, crystal-studded, and sequin embellishments. While it boasted of summer's hot trend, cutouts, the spread of pastel pink feathers stood out on the organza fabric as well. It also had a crisscross detail that gave her sexy open back an edgy spark. The Stars Fit and Flare ensemble was accessorized with a ring, a necklace, and a stacked bracelet that brought a majestic shine. Also defining excellence was her wavy hairdo, glossy pink lipstick, winged eyeliner and shimmery eyeshadow. The beautiful actress Dinah Penty is always seen experimenting in terms of style. Nowadays, Dinah is seen in one glamorous look after the other. Once again, Diana's stunning photoshoot in sari is beating the hearts of the fans. In the pictures of the latest photoshoot, she is looking very beautiful wearing a green color sari. The backless design of the green color sari blouse is adding a touch of boldness to Diana's ethnic look. Dinah is one of the hottest looking actresses in Bollywood. Meenakshi Chaudhary is taking a series of opportunities and is taking a leap in terms of career. She is active not only in the film industry but also in social media. Recently her shared photos are going viral. Meenakshi has earned good marks for her beauty and acting. Moni Roy is known for her stunning looks and super glam avatar. She is raising the temperature in the off-shoulder dress. Leaving her tresses open, she is casting a spell with her alluring looks. Moni looks an absolute diva in the latest pictures. In the video, we can see Janhvi Kapoor amidst a golden background posing in her shell-inspired outfit. She is wearing a backless top that has golden shells hanging all over with a spaghetti strap. She has paired her top with a golden skirt that has a shell-shaped cloth with sequin work. She has left her hair open and her glittery eye makeup makes her look gorgeous. Her expressions and poses will make you skip a heartbeat. Model-turned-actress Neha Malik has set the internet on fire with her stunning bikini pictures. Neha's scintillating pictures from her recent trip to Goa has gone viral. Donning polka dot two-piece, the diva shocked her fans with the bold avatar. Bikini-clad Neha grabs eyeballs in this bikini picture. Is seen as enjoying waves at the Goa beach. Malavika Mohanam wore the hot black outfit. She is a sizzling beauty and believes in taking risks with her hair and makeup. The diva opted for smoky eyes and a wet hair look, which is a surprising choice and has turned out well. Shalini Pandey has appeared. The purple off-shoulder top with puffy full sleeves and the same colored jeans are very uniquely matched with silver high heels. Shalini looks casual yet stylish. The outfit is breezy and comfy. Trisha appearance of the reigning Desi beauty in a maxi dress. It had the greatest geometric patterns and many color bursts. It's difficult to resist grabbing this outfit. Her outfit had vibrant colors, delicate pleats, a plunging neckline, and wide straps. Without a necklace, but with only a simple set of golden earrings and a bracelet, her dress looked flawless. Her appearance was brilliantly finished off with neatly filled-in eyebrows, combed and gently curled hair that was left open and kohl-lined eyes. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.